Well, I decided that I've been talking about it for too long, so I'm going to just start doing it. I'm Robin, and this is my new YouTube channel. I am all over the country with my partner, Travis. We call him Sweet Tea, and we have chosen to live on a semi for a few months, and just documenting our process and how we get down the road together. Little did we know when we started this that the coronavirus would be coming along to keep everybody at home, but I thought that since we were out here seeing a little bit more of what's going on in America, maybe this was a really good time to start our channel, because it's a different time and we're getting to see a lot more of what's going on in different areas and watch the nightly news in different places, things like that. So anyway, I hope that you will come on our journey with us. I'm going to post silly stuff and serious stuff and just stuff about how we get by living life out here in this little tiny box. So just want to say that I miss my family and my friends, and I'm praying for your safety every day. I hope that everyone is just doing their part to keep your social distance, but still get outside and do something healthy with your day every day. I'm so proud of my daughter. They have a garden at her house, and we've been talking every couple of days as she's adjusting to being at home. And it's funny, what is it like when all of a sudden you're cooking all the meals every day, and how do you keep your 5-year-old busy? So they kind of took a week to just act like it was spring break, but now I think reality's setting in, and so we talk a lot about, different things to do to keep Piper occupied, and how do we all keep from going stir crazy. So maybe I can give you a little insight to that, since I'm out here, like I said, in this box all the time. I do a lot of things to pass the time while Travis is driving, and one thing that I did just in the past couple of days was sign up for some free, what they call MOOC, massive online, darn it, MOOC, M-O-O-C, massive online, I can't think of it. Anyway, it's offered by Ivy League schools, and there's an app called edX, and you can go on there and look at all the classes that are available. I enrolled in college algebra, which I have taken 5 times and not been able to get past that stupid quadratic equation. So I'm going to take that while I've got some time to just really focus on it. I'm taking that from Arizona State University, and then I enrolled in another course called Imagination and Architecture at Harvard University, and these are both free, so I'm really excited to see if I'm up for the challenge. So I'll keep you posted on how I'm doing with those too. Let me know what y'all are doing to keep busy out there, and I'll see you really soon out here from the road. Bye.